Hello guys, I'm in Las Pinas now. This with security. I drive inside there, I live there. On the back side, there far on the right side I live. This is the security guard. And this... Huh?
Are you a vlogger?
Yes, I'm a vlogger.
Very good.
And this is a dangerous man.
No.
Yeah, he's dangerous. No, he's not dangerous. It's good
I'm a good Samaritan.
It's good we have him. Because this place, for me, is very dangerous. Surely at night. Hello guys, I'm back again in the Philippines. So I make a short walk because this is a security area. It's in a subdivision, so you can see how the people live here. Look. The dogs, they want to bite me. Here is a small store. Sometimes I go here to buy my drinks. It's 9 in the morning, like 9:16 to be exactly, tell you the hour, the time. This tree, very nice. And you see they have also cars, same in our countries, huh? This is the subdivision. Here always quiet, especially in the night. Nobody singing karaoke here in the night. Look.
Good morning.
Good morning. Here is an old Mercedes. I think there is the end of the street.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, morning. Happy New Year.
Same to you. Everybody very kind here. I think this house, this lot with a house, you can buy for, I think maybe 8 million peso. But there's a lot of work on it. Look how they make the concrete posts. The other day upstairs there was like, it was like a disco, but I think it's only for the relatives. And it's already raining a few days. Not non-stop, but you see the road's still a little bit wet here now. The stairs go up to the terrace upstairs. And everywhere where you come, there is a basketball ring. I think that's #1 sport in the Philippines. Of course, there are dogs everywhere and cats. Two German dogs in a small place. And therefore, here is also a canal. Here, and then on the other side from the canal, it's all like squatters. And you see here, this man here, I already know now. He's good in working on cars, also for the electronics. He worked in Japan and other big countries for many years. And there is the entrance. There you have the entrance. There is the security, and the outside is still security. And where you see the thing driving there, the tricycle, it's where the squatters are. And far there you also have squatters. And this is the man who's working on the car. I already tell you.
Good. You take that in your home?
I put it on my YouTube channel, so I'm vlogging now.
Okay, good.
See you later.
Yeah.
Bye. Good morning.
Wala pera.
This is like a sorry store.
Everything
I'm making a vlog for YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Vlog.
Yeah. Even not much tools, they still can make everything.
Nakikita ko sa buong mundo nito.
See? This is the taxi here in the Philippines.
Yeah, this tricycle is a taxi from the Philippines. Yeah. And this is a crazy man.
No, this is a poogie man.
Okay. No, he's a good man. Okay. See you later, huh?
Yeah. There is a spider in your shoulder.
Yes.
Spider.
Only this side, huh?
Maybe the spider will bite you.
No. He said there is a spider in my shoulder, but that's my tattoo. So he wants to joke me, huh? Even you're now in the subdivision, don't expect it's like a very nice, clean place. Look here. The water here is running here. It's coming out of the concrete. It's already like this when I arrived here in this place. And you see, nobody will do something on it. I think it's for free because it's running day and night. Another basketball field. Morning. But you see, it's a, well, how would I have to tell you, it's a clean place, it's quiet here. Especially not dangerous for the white man. You don't see people always drunk, or yeah, it's more the normal life here. And this is the house owner from the apartment that I'm renting now. Hello. Good morning. You see, always the people are always very kind. Okay. See you next time.